our pet. It's our pet, Spidle. His name's Phil. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, it's coming. It's not that big of a spider. It's pretty big. Whoa, whoa, Phil, Phil, Phil. Phil's trying to leave. You're not even recording this.
Yes, I am.
You're looking down the whole time. Here, Phil, we just want to talk to you. Just want to talk to you. He's in a cage right now. A broom cage. Bristle cage. It's a bristle. Oh, hi.
I better not freaking jump.
They jump far. There's a big jumping spider though.
Mm-hmm.
They jump about a foot.
It's either a king
Ooh.
or a mama. Kylie will eat it too.
Ooh, move. Let's get him where we want him at. See, he moves. He moves quick when he wants to. That's how Jeff is though.
Phil, babe.
Phil, I mean.
Jeff.
Come here, Jeff. I mean, Phil. Ooh, ooh. Don't go that way, Phil. Don't go that way, Phil.
Ooh.
Every time he moves, I'm just getting
Kylie,
scared.
get out of the
I feel
way.
like it wants to bite me.
Babe, stop messing with it.
Stop messing with Phil. Okay, Phil. He's just getting in a perfect position to jump at your ass.
Okay, bye, Phil. Bye.